Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this Mother's Day card. Open it up. It pops up. Brighten up your mommy's day with a secret message inside this window. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these crafts. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using a colored paper card, white paper card, some colored papers, glue, a ruler, pencil, coloring pens, shape puncher, paint is optional, and scissors. Let's get started. First, take the A4 colored card and fold it into half. Measure half a centimeter from the top and find the center. On each side of the top corner, measure 7 centimeters vertically and mark it. Connect the markings from the top to each side to make the roof. And cut along the lines. Measure and mark 2 centimeters from the roof. Open it up and cut along the lines of the front card. Mark the edges of the tip of the roof with curved lines and cut it. Let's draw a door by measuring 5 centimeters on each side and 8 centimeters in height. Then draw some lines to write the front message. We can now start tracing using our pen. Now take the white card paper, measure 7 centimeters from the bottom and draw a line. Leave at least 3 centimeters on the left side and measure 15 centimeters to mark the height of the drawing. You may also download the templates in the description below. There are 2 different images that you can choose from. Let us now trace a drawing with a black pen. Let's add some colors to the picture. Now, cut along the dotted lines and around the picture. Then, take the card and place the picture inside. Fold 2 centimeters on the left side of the picture, leaving a space of 4 centimeters, and stick it. Do the same on the right side. Leave a margin of 3 centimeters and stick it. Using the colored paper, make squares of 2 centimeters for the flower. Fold the square into 4 parts and cut it into a petal shape. Open it up and you'll see a flower. For the 2D effect, each flower needs 2 pieces of shapes. Gently curve the sides of the petal so it doesn't look flat. Put a dot in the center and stick it together. We need 6 pieces of flowers for the roof. Now, I'm using a paper puncher to make the heart shapes. You may also cut your own heart shape. We can now stick the heart shape and the flowers on the roof. For the window, cut a piece of colored paper measuring 19 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Fold the paper equally on each side. Following the size of the window, cut a piece of colored paper and stick it inside the window. Here, I'm just adding some lines for the window frame. We can now stick the remaining heart shapes to our window. And finally, stick the window inside a card. You may also write your secret messages inside the window. And there you have it, our Mother's Day pop-up card. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.